Unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A12. Hello friends, welcome to GSV Pro Videos channel. Now in this video, we are going to look at the new Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile. I had a mobile of another brand, almost with similar features, and it stopped working as soon as it completed 2 years service. After a search in the web for a reasonably priced mobile with all the essential features, I decided to go in for Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile. Let us get into the video straight away. This is the Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile. It has got two variants. One is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB memory. Another is 4 GB RAM and 128 GB memory. This is the box in which it comes. On the back side it says Samsung Galaxy A12 Infinity V display, 48 MP quad camera, 15 watts fast charging, 5000 mAh battery, and 16.55 centimeters full rectangle, 16.14 centimeter rounded corners, 48 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP quad rear camera, 8 MP front camera. Weight it says is 205 grams. Let us unbox it and see now. Let us open this box now. There are some booklets. One is a warranty card. Another is quick start guide. And ejection pin on this. Let us open this. It has got a 15-watt fast charger adapter. This is the 15 watts fast charger adapter. And this is the cable. This is the data cable of white color. The phone itself comes in 3 different colors. It comes in white, blue, and black. The lower portion of the back side of this phone is very smooth. And the upper portion is made rough by knurling so that it will give a firm grip while using the phone. On the right hand side you see the volume button, and right below that is the on-off switch. This on-off button also serves as a fingerprint sensor. Right below is the speaker, then the multi-purpose jack, and then there is the mic, and then there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the left side, you have a SIM card tray. This is the SIM card tray. And on top, You have a small secondary mic here. The SIM card tray has got 3 slots, 2 for nano SIM cards, 1 for the memory card. The inbuilt memory is 64 GB. The memory can be expanded up to 1 terabyte. You have quad cameras on the back. One is a 48 megapixel camera, one is 5 MP camera, and 2 or 2 MP cameras. The mobile weighs 205 grams. It has 6.5-inch display. The resolution is 720 by 1600. The camera, one is ultra wide, one is macro, and one is depth lens. And there is an 8 MP front camera. The operating system is Android 11. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The size of this mobile is 0.9 by 16.4 by 7.6 centimeters. It comes with 1 year warranty. The display is LCD. When you touch the on-off button after registering your fingerprint, it immediately opens the mobile. This 4 GB RAM, 64 GB memory mobile will cost you 13,000 rupees. And the 4 GB RAM, 128 GB memory will cost you 1,000 rupees more. For the money we spend, I feel these are very good deals. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and give your comments below and share it with all your friends. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.